Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to show you this book haul that I picked up. I went to about, what was it, 11 different libraries to pick these books up. And I have a bunch of fiction books here. As you can see, I have non-fiction books, like the police exam book. I also picked up a bunch of audiobooks right here. I even picked up this little Mouse and the Motorcycle classic. That was actually a VHS tape, which is the only one that I have. And that will sell for $16.90, and it's in good condition. You can also find Christian books. So let me see, a lot of travel books, Scotland, England, those sell too. There's some kids books here. The profit of all this inventory, which is a total of 250 books that I picked up, 250, and the profit on that will be $4,600. If you guys want to learn how I do this and how I make a living off of this, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy. Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a little rundown because I figured I wasn't too specific on that video. Okay, so in total I spent $103 buying those books that you see on the video. I bought 250 books exactly, and the profit on that is $4,637. That's $4,637. So if you guys want to watch and continue to see how I do this, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to say hello. All right?